Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TechSolve. In this video I'm gonna show you how to speed up your Windows 10. First one is optimize your startup setting. Startup program is a program or application that runs automatically after your system has booted normally and use your RAM memory. Now to open up your startup setting, press and hold the keyboard start button and press on I to open up setting. Now go to app. Now go to startup. Now you can see all the application is running after your system has booted normally. Now turn off some unnecessary app and it will release some RAM and speed up your Windows. Now I'm going to turn off some app which is I don't need to run when my Windows has booted normally. Now I'm gonna turn off some app. Now close this option, and the second one is defragment and optimize drive. To open up defragment and optimize drive, click on the search bar and type optimize. Then defragment and optimize drive is show up. Now open the defragment and optimize drives. Now optimize your all drive. It will optimize your all drives data and speed up your Windows. Now close this option. Now the third one, I'm going to use a tool. You can download this tool from the link in the description box. This is very helpful and easy to use. This is the tool. Now double click on this tool and it will open up your system's temp file, recent file or previous file. And if you clean all those files, your PC will run faster than before. And if you don't want to use this tool, you can open all those files by manually. Let me show you how to open up all those files manually. Press and hold the keyboard start key and press on R. It will open the run option. Now type temp, temp. It will open your temp file. Now select all and delete it from the computer. You don't able to delete all this file which is run on your computer, so click on this option and click on escape. Now close this folder. Now press and hold the start button and press on R to open up run. Now type %temp% and press on enter. It will open up your app data. Now select all and delete it from the computer. Click on escape. Check this option and click on escape. Now close this folder. Now press and hold the start button and press on R to open up run. Now type recent. Now press on enter. It will open up your all recent file. Now select all those files and delete it from the computer. Now close this folder. Now again press and hold the start button and press on R. Now type prefaith and press on enter. Now select all this data and delete from your computer. Check this option and click on escape. Now close this button. Now reboot your computer and I hope your computer will run faster than before. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please like it and share this video with your friends. And yes, if you have any question, put this in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks.